How do you see yourselves 10 years from now? Pag hindi na kayo Gen Xers or Gen Yers. 10 years from now.
10 years from now, well, I don't know, showbiz-wise or career-wise. Probably, siguro 10 years from now, I'd be married.
You, G.
Well, 10 years from now, I'll be 30, so I think
Jeez, that's really young.
it's gonna
That's
be...
really young.
Yeah, I can't say. I think at 30, I'll still be partying.
Anyway, ikaw, Dieter.
Me, I really don't know. I'm not sure. Pero how
Anong
I wish
hope mo?
na someday maging business tycoon.
Galing! That's the way to do it. Start now. O, di ba? Ikaw, Jolina.
Ako rin, ganun din katulad ng kay Diet. At saka, I don't expect for anything. Basta lahat ng ginagawa ko, yung pinagbubutihan ko. And I know, siguro 10 years from now, stable na ako and masaya na nagpapakasaya na lang ako sa lahat ng pinaghirapan ko ngayon.
Galing. Mylene, you.
I'll be pregnant.
You'll be pregnant 10 years from now.
Third kid ko na siguro na fourth. Ganyan.
Galing! Okay. Naku, I will pray also for that for you. Ikaw,
I
Bojo.
also maybe siguro may asawa na ako, a kid or two, and definitely into politics.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, I want to thank you guys for sharing with us all these, these mga thoughts and beliefs and shedding light on topics na medyo hindi ko naintindihan noon sa henerasyon nyo. And also, of course, the guests over there in our panel. Thank you very much, Michelle, Tim, Claire, Maya, and Megan. Thanks so much for, thank you. I'm enlightened all of a sudden. Really, because sometimes you're oblivious to what's happening outside. Anyway, ang teenage years or kahit mga late teens, early 20s, mid-20s, may umaabot pa dyan. Ito po ang time sa buhay ng tao para mag-explore tayo ng ating mga individuality or kung sino talaga yung mga mahina sa atin at paano natin gagawing malakas sa mga sarili natin. Yung ating mga talino, what our gifts are and how we can make the most out of them. At kung may tiwala po tayo sa ating mga sarili. Siyempre pa sa ating mga pamilya, kaibigan, at ito na rin ang panahon para malaman natin kung saan tayo makakapunta, dala ng ating lakas. Higit sa lahat, alam niyo mga kaibigan, after all's been said and done, I will tell you based on experience, it may sound like a cliche, but there is no one truth than holding on to what you know is surely never going to change. That is your faith in God, the big guy upstairs. When everything else, this world is nasty and magulo, if you just hold on to that, then you're gonna be okay. At you know what I always tell Casey is one thing. You have your whole life in front of you. The whole world is right at your feet. Hindi pa niya nagagawa lahat ng decisions na life-changing. Kaya before she makes these decisions, gusto ko na pag-isipan niya because she will have to live with the consequences of those decisions for the rest of her life, and that is my advice to all of you out there. Thank you, and thank you again for joining us, everyone on the panel, everyone here. Gimmick, April 28th, Gimmick the Reunion, the movie. Thank you, we'll see you on Sunday. God bless you. This is for you. Bye, everybody. Let's make the most of the last few minutes of the party.
Do what you want. Do what you want. Do what you want. Do what you want.